Hi guys, let's start the next exercise. Next exercise is exercise 20F. Let's look at the question. From a solid right circular cylinder with height 10 centimeter. So the height is 10 centimeter. Base of radius is 6 centimeter. A right circular cone of the same height, which means the height is also the same and base is also the same. So for cone, R is equal to 6 centimeter. For cylinder, R is equal to 6 centimeter, which is equal to small r. Height is equal to 10 centimeter and height is equal to 10 centimeter, which is equal to small h. So volume of remaining solid would be equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. In this case, r and r are equal. So this is pi r square h, even h is equal, minus 1 by 3 pi r square h. If I take pi r square h common, what I have is 2 by 3 pi r square h. That's the volume remaining. Let's substitute values. So this is 2 by 3 into 22 upon 7 into r, which is 6 into 6 multiplied by height, that's 10. That's 3 into 1, 3 into 2. So that's 4 into 22 into 60 upon 7. That's 240 into 22. Let's multiply 240 into 22. That's 8, 4, 8, 4, 8, 4 plus 8, 12. That's 5 to 8. So this is 5280 upon 7 centimeter cube. We'll need to divide. That 5280 divided by 7. 7 into 7, 49. 38, that's 7 into 5, 35. That's 30, that's 7 into 4. So this is 754 2 upon 7 centimeter cube. If you want to write the answer in decimal, you could convert this into decimal. Let's look at the next question. The next question that we do is question number 2. Question number 2 says, from a solid cylinder whose height is 16 centimeter. So the height here is 16 centimeter. Radius is 12 centimeter. A conical cavity of height 8 centimeter. So last time in the previous question, the conical cavity was the same height and same radius. This time the height of the cavity is slightly lesser. And base radius is 6 centimeter is hollowed out. Find the volume and total surface area of remaining solid. So the first part of the question, volume is simple. So for cylinder, capital R, which is radius, is given equal to 12 centimeter. Height is given equal to 16 centimeter. For the cone, the radius is given equal to 6 centimeter and the height is given equal to 8 centimeter. So we need to calculate the volume. So volume of remaining solid would be equal to volume of cylinder, exactly like the last question, minus volume of cone. In this case, pi r square h minus 1 by 3 pi small r square h. I can take pi common, so this would be pi times r square. R is 12 into 12 into 16 minus 1 by 3 into small r, that's 6 into 6 into 8. That's 3 into 1, 3 into 2. So this would be pi times 144 into 16. Now we'll have to multiply 12 into 12, that's 144 into 16. That's 6 into 4, 24. 6 into 4, 24 plus 2, 26. 6 into 1, 6 plus 2, 8. This is 4, 4, 1, 4, 6 plus 4, 10, 9, 13, 2304. So 2304 minus 6 into 8, 48 into 2, 96. So remaining volume would be 22 upon 7 multiplied with 2304 minus 96. Let's subtract. 14 minus 6 is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. That's 2. This is 2. Multiplied with 2208. Now again we'll have to multiply and divide. So 2208 multiplied with 22. That's 8 into 2, 16, 144. That's 6144, 67584. So this is equal to 48576 divided by 7. Let's divide 48576 divided by 7. 7 into 6, 42. That's 65. 7 into 9, 63. That's 27. 7 into 3, 21. That's 66. 7 into 9, 63. 30. Decimal. That will be 7 into 4, 28. 20. That will be 2. So that's where we can leave our answer. Or if you want to round it off up to 2 decimal places, then let's calculate up to 3. That will be 14 and 16. So that will be 7 into 8. So you can round it off to 6939.43 centimeter cube. Longish calculation. Otherwise, the question was fairly simple. All you needed to do was multiply a lot of numbers. So that's the answer. We've already calculated the volume. I'll erase this part so that I can solve the second part on the same page, which is calculate the total surface area of the remaining solid. So let's figure out what surface area would remain. So curved surface area of the cylinder would remain. So remaining surface area would be equal to, let's just figure out what will be. So that will be the curved surface area of cylinder, correct, plus the area of the base of the cylinder plus base area plus the new cavity which has been formed. There will be that area which is basically the curved surface area of cone. Is there anything else which remains? Yes, now you have the circular ring on the top, which is here. This area also remains from the top of the cylinder, which means plus area of a ring on top. Let's just reconfirm this. I'll have the curved surface area of the cylinder, which is given by 2 pi RH, plus I'll have the area of the base, which is given by pi r square, plus I will have curved surface area of cone, which will be pi RL, plus area of the ring on top is basically area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle, which means pi times capital R square minus small r square. Yes, this is fine. This looks fine. Pi times capital R square minus pi times small r square. That will be the area of the ring. Now let's substitute values, but before that we will need to find the slant height to find the curved surface area. So using Pythagoras theorem, so in the cone using Pythagoras theorem, slant height would be equal to 10 centimeter because 6, 8 and 10 are Pythagorean triplets. So this is L. Now we can substitute values and see what answer we get. So remaining surface area would be equal to curved surface area. So anything common? Yes, pi is common in all of them. So I can take pi common. So that will be pi times 2RH, that's 2 into R. R is 12 into H, that's 16, plus R square, R is 12, so that's 12 into 12, plus R, small r is 6 into L, that's 10, plus R square is 144 minus small r square, that's 36. Let's reconfirm. 2RH, 2 into R, 12 into H, 16, plus R square, which is 12 into 12, plus RL, which is 6 into 10, plus R square, that's 144 minus 36. So the remaining surface area would be pi times 12 into 16 into 2, that's 24 into 16. 24 into 16 is equal to 124, 240 and 384, correct. So that's 384 plus 12 into 12, that's 144, plus 6 into 10, that's 60, and 144 minus 36 is equal to 108. So this would be equal to 22 by 7 multiplied with, let's add 384, 144 plus 60, that's 204 and 108. That's 4 plus 4, 8 plus 8, 16, then 8 plus 1, 9, 3, 5, 6, that's 696. 696 into 22 upon 7. Again, a big calculation. 696 into 22. 2 into 6, 12. 18 plus 1, 19. 2 into 6, 12 plus 1, 13. That's 2, 9, 3, 1. 2, 9 plus 2, 11. 10, 13. 5, 1. That's 153, 1, 2 divided by 7. 7 into 2, 14. So let's divide it here. 7. 7 into 2, 14. This is 13. So that's 7 into 1, 7. That's 61. That's 7 into 8, 56. That's 52. 7 into 7, that'll be 49. Minus 49 will give me 3. Put a decimal, that gives me 0. 7 into 4, 28. That's 20. So that's 2. 14. 68. So that will be 2187.43 centimeter square. Perfect. 2187.43 centimeter square. Again, I hope you realize the multiplication is a longer thing. The most important part of this question is to figure out what is the remaining surface area. So we have the area of the curved surface area of the cylinder, the area of the base of the cylinder, the curved surface area which is formed of the in the cavity, which is basically the curved surface area of the cone, and the area of the ring formed here. Let's move on to the next question. The next question that we do is question number 3. It says a circular tent is cylindrical to a height of 4 meter, which means this height here is 4 meter. And conical above it, its diameter is 105 by 2 or 105, which means the radius is 105 by 2, and its slant height is 80 meter. So the slant height is 80 meter. Calculate the total area of canvas required. Find the total cost of canvas required at 15 rupee per meter if the width is 1.5. So a couple of parts of this question. Let's first figure out if we need to cover this. What do we need? Yes, we need the curved surface area because curved surface area of the cylinder. We'll need the curved surface area of the cone. That's all we need. We don't need the area of the base because it's a tent, which is a circus tent, which means it will be put on the ground. So what we need is the total surface area. So total surface area would be equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of cylinder is given by 2 pi RH, and curved surface area of cone is given by pi. In this case, both the r's are equal, so pi RL. Yes, I can take pi and r common. So if I take pi and r common, that's 22 upon 7 multiplied with r, which is 105 upon 2 times. So pi and r common, that's 2 into height. Height is 4 plus L, that's 80. That's 1 to 11, that's 7 into 1, 7 into 1, 7, that's 35, that's 15. So this is 11 into 15 multiplied with 2 into 4, 8 plus 80, that's 88. Let's just confirm 8 plus 80, that's 88. That's 88 into 11 into 15. Let's multiply 15 into 11, that's 150, and 15, that's 165 into 88. Now let's multiply 165 into 88, 5 into 8, 40, 48 plus 4, 52, 8 into 1, 8 plus 5, 13, 0, 2, 3, 1, 0, 2, 5, 4, 1. That's 14520. So total surface area is 14,520 meter square. So we figured out the total area of the canvas required. So area of canvas required is equal to 14,520 meter square. Let's look at the next part. Find the total cost of canvas used at rupees 15 per meter if the width is 1.5 meter. So we've been given a piece of canvas. Let's say this is the piece of canvas. The width is 1.5 meter and 1 meter of this much costs rupees 15. So we need to figure out how much length will be required. So area of canvas required will be equal to length of canvas required multiplied with breadth or the width of canvas required. So 14,520 would be equal to length into breadth, in this case 1.5. Therefore length would be equal to 14,520 divided by 1.5. Let's remove the decimal, multiply it with 10. So that's 5 into 3, that's 5 into 2, 3 into 1, that'll be 3 into 4, 12, 25, 3 into 8, 24, 12, that's 3 into 4 and 0. So that's 4840. Into 2, that'll be 0869. So length required will be 9,680 meters. So the length here, which is 1 meter, costs 15 rupees. So 9,680 meter will cost how much? Therefore, cost of 9680 meter will be rupees 15 into 9680. Let's multiply once again. So this is 968 multiplied with 15. 968 multiplied with 15. 5 into 8, 40. 5 into 6, 30 plus 4, 34. 45 plus 3, 48. This is 869. 0, 8 plus 4, 12. 14 plus 1, 15. 14. So this is 14520. Oh, I could have my mistake with another 0. That's 1,45,000. We had already divided by 1.5. Now we were multiplying it with 1.5 with 15 rather. So I shouldn't have done this calculation. I should have realized that. Anyway, we finished this question and the video also with this. I'll see you with the next video. Take care. Be safe. Bye bye.